everybody, welcome to the channel. It's Robin with Homesteading with Sadie. So today I'm at the Dollar Tree. I'm parked right now to go in. I might take you with me. It's pretty crowded. So, and the lady next to me in this car is looking at me like I'm crazy, talking to myself. But she doesn't know I have friends like you guys that I'm talking to. But I'm gonna try to do another DIY Christmas decoration that I saw. So I'm going to see if the Dollar Tree has some ornaments that I want to get. I have a feeling they're probably going to be sold out because this place is packed. It's a Saturday. I don't know what I expected, but it's Saturday at noon too, so this place is really busy. So let's go inside. All right, I took you in, but it's kind of noisy in here, so I'm just going to voice over, let you know I got 4 of these tubes. I picked the silver and then silver with blue. All right, so I'm gonna do this on the floor because that's probably the best lighting. I just got back from the Dollar Tree and I don't think I bought enough, but we're gonna see. So I got a hanger and this bunny ain't gonna work on the floor. This bunny ain't gonna work on the floor. I better take a moment to say hi. Say hi to the camera, Coco. Okay, go on. Go lay down. Okay, so I'm gonna take the hanger and I just undid the hanger. Let's just see, it's not all that round, but once you start putting the balls on it, it'll give you the illusion maybe of it being more round. All right, let me get all the bulbs. All right, so I got silver, I got the 12 ornaments each, but they were little, and then I got these at the Family Dollar. They were buy one, get one half off. Totally are different blues, so I'm gonna have to mix them. Really good. And I got like that. Then I bought this silver ball to go on top. So a knife. Oh, don't hurt yourself on those hangers. Chitlins. These are tiny bulbs. I tried to find the bigger ones, but couldn't. Anyway, so I do like how they come with all the little strings, but I'm not gonna use those. So I'm just gonna take the bulbs and that little part right here, the silver part, I'm gonna pop in here, around, and then that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna mix it all of it.
Lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney broad and black, with your pack you'll creep.
Look at that. I think I kind of like it. Okay. Okay, perfect. So I can stay. Maybe. Okay, and then cute, maybe? I don't know. Let's hang it up and see. All right, so that wasn't too bad. It actually looks pretty good, considering it really didn't look like a circle to begin with. I also got that little bell at the Dollar Tree. So yeah, I like it a lot. So leave a comment below what you think about this project, if you're going to try to make it yourself. Of course, I always see my own flaws, so I should have put some blue right here. But it's fine. It looks really cute. I think it turned out really nice. So thanks for watching, and hope you have a happy holiday, and we'll see you on the next video.